How to fix Atomberg fan remote not working, causes and solutions as well. So there are a few reasons why this could happen. So the remote is like not working anymore and it doesn't connect or even work when you press any buttons for the actual Atomberg fan. So one of the first and most obvious things you're gonna have to check for is its batteries. So just go ahead to the back of the remote and remove its batteries. Of course, make sure you're using its applicable batteries. I think it's AAA. So just go ahead and take out the cover of the back of the remote and replace it with batteries if you think this is the problem. So you can check this by using the AAA batteries inside the remote for something else. But if battery isn't the problem and you think so, then this may be because the remote itself is not connected or paired to the fan. So sometimes the fan loses pairing after power fluctuations. So just make sure to try pairing or sync resetting the remote to the fan to however you did it before. But if you don't remember, then you can turn off the fan using the wall switch and then wait for 10 seconds. Turn the switch on again and immediately press the 1 on the boost button on the remote for around 3 to 5 seconds. So the fan should beep or start rotating, which will confer the pairing from your fan to your remote. Another is a remote sensor or receiver fault in the fan. If the fan's internal receiver is faulty, it won't read remote signals. So turn off the power supply for 1 minute and turn it back on. So 1 minute for a reset. Check if wall regulator or dimmer is interfering, since the Atomberg fans should not use traditional regulators. If there's still no response, the receiver likely needs service, so you're gonna have to contact Atomberg themselves for this problem. And another is basically signal interference. So Atomberg remotes use RF signals, not IR, but interference can still affect range. So maybe the signal receiver, it should be this for the fan, is somewhat dirty. Go ahead and clean that, or anything that is obstructing the signal to the fan, maybe something's blocking it. Make sure that's not the case. So you could try standing closer to the fan, 1 to 3 meters, to see if this works. This also could relate to the battery problem, but you can go ahead and check that out if you want. Remove large metal objects between you and the fan, and avoid using the remote near Wi-Fi routers, I guess, or other RF devices. I don't think that really matters, but maybe just go ahead and do that just in case. And finally, the last cause could be physical damage to the remote. If the remote fell or got wet maybe, and other stuff, the buttons can stop malfunctioning if, of course, it breaks. So check for stuck buttons, wipe the remote, and let it dry fully if it did get wet. If some buttons work and others don't, then the remote membrane is damaged and you'll need a replacement. You can do that in their official website. But that's pretty much some causes and solutions for your Atomberg remote not working anymore. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.